In this video, I will show you how to use comments and action items in Google Slides. First, open Google Slides and click on the presentation you want to edit. Now, highlight the text, image, or slide you want to comment on. Click the Add Comment icon in the toolbar. You can type a comment on the text box in the right side. When you're done, click Comment. To make sure someone sees a comment, you add them to it, and they will receive a notification email with your comment. This time, let's click the comments icon on the upper right side where we can view all comments. Click on the Add Comment icon, type your comment. To tag someone, type the @ symbol and start typing their email address. When the correct person is suggested, click their name. Click the comment button. Now, let's assign an action item in a comment. Highlight the text, image, or slide you want to comment on. This time, let's right-click, and from the options available, click Comment. Somewhere in the comment, type the @ or plus sign, then type their email address. Then, when the correct person is suggested, click their name. Now, let's click the checkbox next to Assign. Click the Assign button. Now, let's log in as the person we assigned the action item to. They open the presentation and there it is. After they have finished the task, they can click the Done checkbox in the upper right corner of the comment. They can also view the other comments and respond as necessary. By clicking the comment and start typing in the text box, and when they're done, they can click Reply. When the comment has been addressed, you can click the checkbox in the upper corner of the comment. The discussion history will still be available in the comment history on the upper right side. If you have any questions about this video, please leave a comment below.